It is time for Tablescape Tuesday. I have something beautiful in blue made for you. So I started out with a white tablecloth on the table, and then I proceeded to purchase a blue tablecloth with swans and rabbits. It was not square but rectangle, and it didn't fit my round table, so I made it round. I cut it and I put that over the white tablecloth. Then it was time for the charger. The charger is kind of a muted gray, and I thought it needed a little gray tone in order to ground the table. After that, I have some dinnerware that is scalloped around the edges. And it is sort of off-white, with the edges having a little tiny bit of gray-brown around the scalloped edges. Then on top of that is a blue floral salad plate. It looks fabulous. So I didn't think gold silverware would look good with this. So what I did, I used silver roped silverware that I have used previously. And since I had some extra fabric left over, I decided to make some napkins. They were very easy. And in fact, I didn't even have to sew all of the edges because the two sides were squared off, and I just folded the other sides and sewed them. I needed a nice napkin ring, something to brighten that table. I had some carrots from last year. I kind of upscaled them by taking out the raffia and putting in some pull florals inside the opening where the raffia was. And I think it gave it a really nice appearance. And I did 4 of those, and I put those through the napkins, and I think it looks fabulous. Also, I had made some coasters probably a year or so ago with a rabbit and a butterfly, indicating the spring is on the way. And I put a glass goblet on top of that, so you can see through it and you can see the little rabbit. Next, I needed some light. And so I had 2 candlesticks that were metal, or they're even brass. They're little tarnished, but hey, I left them that way. And on top of the candlesticks, one is taller, one is shorter. I put some peat pots that I had made previously on top of that. And then I put a rose that is off-white inside the peat pot. The peat pots were made in a previous DIY, and inside there is a tea light. Then I had in my stash some little small tiny bottles, and I thought, I need a little bit more blue, so I put 3 small tea roses inside the clear glass bottle and put it in front of the table setting. And you can also put their names inside. I think that would look great. Now for the centerpiece, I had made some carrots that were blue, and I did put raffia in there, and you can check back to see my previous DIY on YouTube where I did the carrots. I think they're just fabulous. So I put those in the middle so that you could see the tablescape coming to life. So you have to let me know what you think of this Easter tablescape or a spring tablescape. Now I have some games that I usually play on Easter. The games talk about the risen Christ. We always have a fun time anytime we get together with family or friends. And so let me know what you would do. So we want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and all of the other ones that have joined us. And at night, when you light up the tea light, it looks fabulous. So if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Remember, God is good all the time, and I am so glad that He is coming back one day to save us from all what is going on down here. And I will see you next month. Blessings. Love, Cindy.